Alright, so we started division today, and one of the ways we learned in class was not necessarily to divide to solve a division problem, but to do its inverse operations, which the inverse of dividing, and inverse just means the opposite operation, the opposite of dividing would be multiplying. And an example of this would be, let's say we're doing 345 divided by, we'll do 25. So 345 divided by 25 equals something. So we would flip this. We would say, okay, I don't really want to divide. Maybe I'm not good at division. So I'm going to do 25 times something equals 345. Okay. And what I do is I try not to come up with the whole solution or the whole product at once. I try to start off with something that I know. So for instance, let me change colors here. I'm going to do 25 times 10 first. The reason I do 10 is because you should, at this point, get pretty good multiplying by 10, by 100, by 1,000. It's going to equal 250. Okay, that gets us pretty close to 345, but not quite there. So I know that I've got a little bit more to go. You can get technical and you can take 345 minus 250 and find exactly what you have to go. And if you do that, you're close. You need 95 more numbers to get to 345. So I'm going to do 25 times something, and I need close to 95. Now I'm not going to get 95 because 25 won't go into 95, but I can get 75. Okay, and if you add these two together, that gets us to 325. So we're really close. We only have 20 more to go. So the way we're going to find our answer, change colors again here, is we're going to add up. Remember, we're trying to fill in this box right here. So we're going to add these numbers, which is going to be 13. So our answer is going to be 13. And there is a remainder. The remainder is this leftover amount from 325 to 345. So our remainder is going to be 20. Okay, so again, this is just one way, multiplying to divide. And instead of dividing, we're going to flip it around and do multiplication instead. And it gets our answer of 13, remainder 20. Let me give you a little bit of a problem. So let me and we're going to come up with, let me give a problem, 426 divided by, guess it doesn't really care, let's pick 19. Nice hard number. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video and see how you do doing 426 divided by 19. Okay. Alright, so 426 divided by 19, I'm going to reverse it, and I'm going to do 19 times something equals 426. So I'm going to start off, I'm going to do 19 times 10. That gets me 190. So it's still pretty far away. You may realize that that's too far away, so you're not going to do 10. Maybe you decide to do 20. We're just kind of guessing and checking here. 19 times 20, so 19 times 2 is going to be what? 38? 380? Now we're much closer to 426. We actually only need, what, 46 more. So then I may do 19 times 2. That's going to get me 38. 8 plus 3 is 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're 418. So what I'm going to do, let me change my color again. Again, I'm trying to fill in this box right here. I'm going to add 20 plus 2, which equals 22. And then I am going to have a remainder because there is a difference between these two numbers. And 418 from 426, you can use your fingers if you have to. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I get a remainder of 8. So if you did it right, or if I did it right, double check me. Should be 22, remainder 8. Hopefully that helps.